I'd now like to invite Kevin Foley and Scott Copeland from Boeing to join me on the stage to present the Genes in Space finalists and announce the winner or winners. Please join me in welcoming Kevin and Scott to the stage.
Good morning. What a great time this is. This is one of my most favorite times of when we wrap all this up and we get to talk about a program that's very dear to us called Genes in Space. So I'm honored here today representing the Genes in Space founders, which is myself and Kevin Foley from Boeing, along with our other co-founders from Mini-PCR Bio, Dr. Zeke Alvarez-Savarde and Dr. Sebastian Craves. So Genes in Space is a national STEM education program focused on molecular biology. It's open for students from across the nation, from grades 7 through 12, to design an experiment that would help us solve a real-world problem that we're having. So what sets this one apart is the fact that the top 5 finalists from other competitions, they get mentored by Harvard or PhD researchers. And these mentors are really key to what we do. They take away time from their own research in their labs, and they spend approximately 2 months working with our 5 finalists and help them develop their experiments. So I'd like to take just a moment to recognize them if they'd stand in place. Kylie Ingersoll, Julie McDonald, Marissa Morales, Dr. Alex Radakovich, and Dr. Michael Doss. Thank you very much for the support you give to us. We also have 2 sponsors that are really critical to what we do. We have Nicole Nichols from New England Biolabs here. Dr. Nichols. And of course, the ISS National Lab, the entire organization that gives us an opportunity to fly experiments to space. So thank you very much for that. So this year we received 681 proposals from 945 students that represented 231 schools from 38 states. So this was one of our largest contingents to date. So these 5 finalists really stood out from all the proposals. It's really hard to filter through that many proposals, but they did a great job. And it culminated yesterday. They gave presentations to a panel of independent judges. And today we will like to recognize all 5 finalists. So as I call you, please come on up to the stage and be recognized. We have Isabel Chang and Julia Gross. They're from New York, New York. We have Sean Lee and Vedant Mehta. They're from Sewanee, Georgia. Good. We have Arus Takiti and Dago Grande. They're from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Minjun Kim and Daniel Syed. They're from Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. And last but not least, Megan Chu from Baltimore, Maryland. So please join me in giving the entire group a round of applause. Yeah, we have a saying with our Genes in Space group they are now part of the Genes in Space family, and many stay engaged in the future, whether you're a winner or a finalist or just a contestant. We see many of the young students come back and help us with future competitions, help us when we go to different conferences to give talks. So many thanks to them. Now, if I'd see if you could all exit to the right, please. We'll announce the winners of this year's competition. Yeah, the judging yesterday, it's always really hard because all these students and their proposals are worthy of a flight opportunity. Unfortunately, we're limited on resources on what we can do. We hope to expand it in the future, but it's a really difficult time for the independent judges to come up with a winner. So yesterday, after a lot of deliberation, we do have our winner, and it's Isabel Chung and Julia Gross. So their experiment is, they proposed real-time tracking of microgravity-induced effects on the phage-host interactions using fluorescence. So it's pretty unique. I don't think we've done any research on space station related to that to this date. So congratulations. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to all of the finalists competing in the Genes in Space competition, and a special congratulations to the winners. Please join me in welcoming Ray Lugo, Dr. Mike Roberts, and Dr. Donna Roberts from the ISS National Lab back to the stage as we continue to celebrate those individuals who use the International Space Station for space-based research, technology development, and human innovation.
All right, we're now going to present our final Compelling Results Award. Compelling Results Awards are recognized each year for cutting-edge research projects that have been published over the past year with promising results. A Compelling Results Award in Biology and Medicine from the ISS National Lab this year goes to Dr. Sivan Mullaney at the University of Florida. Dr. Mullaney led a team of biologists, pharmacologists, and engineers that developed three-dimensional tissue chips made from patient-specific cells and integrated them into an autonomous cube lab for the experiments related to the effects of microgravity and aging on human muscle. Results will help us understand the hallmarks of aging and markers of age-related diseases, in particular muscle fatigue and degradation. The work ultimately might facilitate the development of therapeutics targeting these conditions. Congratulations. Thanks to all of our award winners for their hard work and dedication to scientific research, space, and the future of space exploration.